Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert landscape slide to portrait in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we can see here all slide is landscape. Now we want to change the all slide portrait. Firstly, go to the design menu. We can see here many options. Now I am click the slide size drop down menu and select the custom slide size, and we can see here show a window. Then we select the slide size drop down menu and choose A4. Then click the portrait option and click OK. Then select the ensure fit. Now we can see we make the all slide landscape to portrait very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.